Hey you guys, so I'm gonna do a review of this new topper. This is Claire Upgrade Plus from UniWigs. Yeah, I'll give you a little 360. It does come straight out of the box. I put some curls in it. I think I do prefer it straight, but I just wanted to play around and try out curls. It's Remy human hair. It's really soft. The color is G4 medium brown. It is a mono top and lace front, 14 inches. And yeah, I'll take it off and show it to you guys. The hair is really soft, really quite happy with it so far. So very comfortable topper. Oh my gosh, my hair is crazy. I was wearing a wig earlier today, so it's oh my goodness, hard to look at. So this is the topper. Nice color. Here's the inside. It's a 6.5 by 6.5 cap. And it does come with this halo wire. So you can adjust the size of the halo by pulling on these little things here. It's gonna help your topper just be more secure and lay more flat. That's about it. She's a great topper so far. I'm liking her. I'm gonna definitely play around with it some more, maybe customize it. Either like a darker root maybe, or just trimming her to match my bio hair. Really easy to, throw up into a ponytail. Yeah, I definitely like this topper better straight. So yeah, I'm gonna give this thing a wash and straighten her back out. And once again, this is the Claire Upgrade Plus. Remy human hair, G4 medium brown, lace front, mono top, and all that good stuff. Thanks.